Want to impress your family and friends this holiday season with personalized stockings that look straight out of Santa's workshop? Let's make that happen right here, right now. Hello, and welcome back to Meow Made Crafts. If you are new here, I love doing all things DIY, so welcome. Anyways, welcome to day one of my brand new series, 12 Days of Craftmas. I'll be bringing you 12 amazing DIY projects over the next 12 days to help you craft your way to the perfect holiday season. Today we are kicking off with a classic, customizing stockings with glitter HTV and a Cricut machine. This is such a thoughtful way to add a personal touch to your decor or gift for your loved ones. Plus it's super easy to do. I've listed all the supplies in the description down below so you can follow along or try this later. And let's get our DIY started. I'm going to be using pre-made stockings, glitter HTV for a festive sparkle, and of course my trusty Cricut machine. We will also need a heat press to apply the designs. You can grab these supplies from the links in the description. Today I have 3 stockings here with me, and I will be making one for my friend, one for their partner, and one for their son. Let's start by designing the names in Cricut Design Space. When designing in Cricut Design Space, make sure to size your text according to your stocking. For me, I'm going with 5.5 to 6 inches wide. Make sure your design is always mirrored. Now that the design is ready, I'm going to load my vinyl onto my Cricut. Make sure shiny side is face down. I'm going to be using a matteless glitter HTV from Hobby Lobby, though I don't actually have to pull out my mat because I'm lazy. Next up, we weed the excess vinyl. This part is almost satisfying except when it starts ripping, so rip. Just peel away the vinyl you don't need and soon you'll see those crisp, clean letters come to life. Time to press. Place the design onto the stocking where you want it to go, cover it with a Teflon sheet or parchment paper, and press with your heat press. Follow your HTV's instructions for time and temperature. I'm going with 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds. So I press it on the top side, then I flip it over and I press it again for another 25 seconds to make sure that the vinyl is adhered to the stocking. Now it's time to peel away the carrier sheet. I give it another press for about 10 seconds and voila! A sparkly personalized stocking that's ready to be hung. I repeat the steps for 2 more stockings, and for those of you that have fluffy stockings, I do attempt this as well, and I had no problems. You just do the same steps that I showed you. Here's how the stockings turned out. I am obsessed with the glittery finish, and adding the names adds so much personality to each stocking, making them truly unique. I know my friends and their son is going to love this. And that is a wrap for day 1 of 12 Days of Craftmas. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. If you give this a try, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear about how your stockings turned out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. We've got 11 more crafts heading your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on a single one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, and as always, adios!